can say my truth. I talk. He did a really bad job on that crap, man. My YouTubers, IG, you got Kodak car just came back. They busted down. They want me to lick it up. We don't know the color what we're gonna do, but I know one thing. We're gonna lick this thing up. You know what I'm saying? We can be doing all the frame work. You know what I'm saying? Get all the waves out, the kinks, the bruises. You know, again, like I told y'all, I don't know what color we gonna go. You know, but Kodak didn't go around me. He came through me. But before, he did go around me. But now, he said, Sudi, I made a mistake. I'm gonna come right through you. Because I want you to lick this thing up. You know, Kodak, that nigga, you've been down for years. Like four flats. Hey, you know what I want you, do you know what I want y'all to do? Give me an idea, what color you think we should go? This was Easter car. Drop them comments. Let Sudi know. Let Kodak know what color you think we should go. Because we really don't know, you know? And you know what? If you agree, or we agree on the color, as somebody say, we got something special for y'all. Promise you. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we don't know if it's going to pearl, we don't know if it's going to base coat, we don't know if it's going to candy. You know, so we don't know. But I know, we do know this. We're going to lick this thing up. For real. Again, Kodak, I appreciate you giving us a chance again, as always. And, hey, thank you again for not going around and come directly straight through. Promise you. We're going to make some music. We're going to dance. We're going to dance. We're going to dance. Drop your comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Run down what we're gonna be doing. Frame is a little buckle right here. I don't know if we're gonna change the frame or we're gonna fit and fix it. You know, we can do this. So damage back here. We're gonna fix all that for him. Just like we did it before. If you put the coating on it, we're gonna make this real smooth. We're gonna make this here part look like the outside. Doors gotta close really good. You know, I don't know painting before. I don't really care. You know, I ain't trying to badmouth nobody, but you know, you definitely come to the right man. I'm gonna make it right. For real. No one's anything. For real. But they done gutted everything out. Took everything out. We changing everything. New fenders, new hood, bumpers, ready to support. For real. Come through the frame. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna block this thing down, make sure this car don't have no waves in it. Promise you, it's gonna be right. Skirt's gotta be tight. We're gonna get every nicks and cracks. We're gonna take the doors off. Strip off some of the parts, and then be stripped down to the metal. Be stripping the whole thing down to the metal. No, you definitely gonna lick. Definitely gonna lick. Yeah, you're gonna lick him. That's right. You're gonna piss over him too. Wet it up. Kind of rough out here, though. You gotta make it smooth. For real. Take all the stuff off. Right. We good though. Drop that comments again. Let me know what color y'all think we should go. If you pick your color, we got something special for y'all.
What's going on, man? It's your boy Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I'm doing a collab with your boy Ace Whips, man. I appreciate for all watching the video. Listen, Coast to Coast, the best prices on all your wheels and tires. I have super deals going on right now on all my wheels, all my tires, crazy prices. Listen, we got financing. You know financing, all you gotta do is text us at 954-425-5569. That's 954-425-5569. You text us and I'll send you an application right to your phone. And we do financing up to 100 days, zero interest, up to $7,500. Your wheel and tire superstore, always deals. Don't forget, Coast to Coast Customs ships all over the United States. If you stay in Cali, I got you. Alaska, I got you. Anywhere, we ship it, baby. If you guys want an application, we do financing. Y'all didn't know, we do finance big wheels and tires. We do financing. Text us at 954-425-5569. You can text us at 954-425-5569, and we'll send you an application. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Peace.